Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'll be sharing with you how to find top selling items in any category on the Amazon Seller app. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to click on the Amazon Seller app, and from here, I'm going to let this load up real quick, but I'm going to be clicking on the Add a Product. It's right here underneath the graph where the graph will appear, if it ever appears. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to click on the Add a Product right here. And then from here, if you go down, you can see that there is a Top Sellers category. So it's like the third little bar down. So I'm going to click on the Top Sellers category. And from here, you can see all the different top selling categories, top selling items. So for me, I like to do a lot of toys and video games, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to scroll down and go to the very bottom. I'm going to look for toys and games. So I'm going to click on toys and games right here. And then it'll pull up the top selling items in that category. And this is kind of nice because it kind of shows you some of the different products that are doing really well on Amazon right now. And it also tells you if you need approval to sell these items too. So don't just run out and grab these items. If it says, it requires approval, then probably not the best idea to grab that unless you actually have approval to sell it. So just kind of scroll down a little bit. You can see some of the items that are top selling in this category: toys, cards, watermelon, all sorts of stuff. And if it doesn't require approval, you'll see like the PlayDoh right here, it doesn't say requires approval. Makes sense. If you want to look at the listing, you can just click on where it says the listing. So the PlayDoh, I just clicked on the PlayDoh. So it opens up the listing like normal. I'm going to click back. I'm going to click back again. Let's check out another category just for fun. We'll go to video games, and opening up the video games. And again, it shows you the top selling items in that category and whether or not you require approval to sell it. Yeah, that's going to be it today. Just showing you how to find the best selling or the top selling items in each category. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.